Let's connect our Hosting Your Horizons project with WhatsApp CRM and Twilio. All right, let's get started. First things first, you will need to sign into your Twilio console, which you can do by just going to console.twilio.com. Here in the dashboard, you will need to get two things. First thing is the SID, the account SID, and the authentication token. You'll be able to find those at the bottom of the page. When you have those, you will need a WhatsApp number. Now you can find that on the left-hand side menu by clicking on messaging, then clicking on try it out, and finally send a WhatsApp message. Here you will find your Twilio Sandbox WhatsApp number. Now, take all three of these values, the SID, authentication token, and WhatsApp number, and paste them directly into your Horizons project, like this. All right, grab your website URL. You can find that at the top right under your Horizons Publish button. Go back to where you found your WhatsApp number. Right above it, you will see a second tab called the Sandbox settings. Click that, and under Sandbox configuration, you will need to paste in two special links, which you can see on the screen right now or find in the description of this video. All right, once that's done, save your progress and go back to the Hosting Your Horizons dashboard. Here, you will need to open the Data tab and then click on Live Data. Here, we can create our own admin account. And now we can start testing if it works. Let's go back to Twilio and scan the QR code that we saw before. You can also just write directly to the number and use the specific code that it indicates. Here I can see that it's already pre-written my code like so, so I'm just gonna click send. And we can see that Twilio notified me that everything's already set up. When everything works, all that's left to do is register a WhatsApp sender in Twilio by completing the business profile approval process, which can take a few days. Keep in mind that in order to register a WhatsApp sender, you will need to have a verified Facebook Business Manager account. All right, when you're ready, you can move on to the next step, which is updating the WhatsApp number in your Horizons project by prompting in the new one and setting up the webhook URLs for the new WhatsApp number, just like we did with the Sandbox settings, remember? And there you go. Now you have a fully working WhatsApp CRM connected to Twilio with your Hosting Your Horizons website. Enjoy.